Hello everyone, welcome you all. My name is Nikita and I am pursuing BTech course from Rajiv Gandhi Government Engineering College. In this technological advancement, number of new transformation are getting facilitated day by day. And in computer science field, really new technology is getting added day by day. And we really want something interesting, something innovative because we are humans. And humans are really very lazy and they depend on machine for their daily chores and all are dependent on machine nowadays, so we want something interesting, something innovative. So for that, technology is there. Technology is something magical. With the help of technology, everything is possible. Before going further, let me ask you a question. If what happen if a computer start reacting when you are in a happy mood, or what happen if a computer start reacting when you are smiling, and what happen if you are like screaming and computer is reacting giving you the reaction? Isn't it crazy? Yes, of course it's crazy, but it's all the magical power of technology. This is something technology and it is getting advanced day by day. So today I'm going to talk about one of the new technology, that is blue eyes technology. And I will begin by outlining, then highlighting about this topic, and finally I will briefly discuss this topic. So the content that we include in a Blue Eyes Technology is, what is Blue Eyes Technology? By Blue Eyes. What is Blue Eyes? How computers see and feel. The technology is used. Advantages and disadvantages. The future application and the conclusion. So, what is the Blue Eyes Technology? Or we can say that what is the aim of Blue Eyes Technology? So, the aim of Blue Eyes Technology is to design a system or is to design a computer that can communicate, that can interact with the humans in the same way as we human interact with each other, by the use of camera, microphone to identify the user action and the emotions. Let me tell you one thing, in a daily conversation, we humans will interact with each other 70 to 80% in a non-verbal communication and 30% is a verbal communication. And when I talk about the non-verbal communication, that is something about your body language, that is something about your gestures, that is something your movement of your hands, movement of your eyes, movement of your legs. All these things are going to get recorded in the system in a database, and accordingly the system is going to react. So the next is, why blue eyes? Why we use blue eyes? So to avoid and reduce the human limitations such as tiredness, the oversight, the mental illness, etc. To build a machine that can understand your emotions, that can understand your feelings, verify your identity, feels your presence and interact with you. So the next is the term blue eyes. So the blue eyes technology that is already being researched at IBM Research Center at California in 1997. So the blue eyes technology contain two words. The first one is blue and the second one is eye. If we talk about the word blue, that is the Bluetooth wireless communication, and if we talk about the eyes help us to capture the user's action, user's movement and what the user is feeling at that time when the system is recognizing user movement with the help of certain devices and the certain other things. The next one, the how computers see and feel. So there are five steps. The first one is the eye tracker that incorporates near infrared microprojectors, optical sensor and image processing. The second one is micro create a reflection pattern on the eyes. The third one is image sensor registers the image of the users, the user eye and the projection pattern in the real time. The fourth one is image processing that is used to find the features of the user's eye and the projection pattern. The fifth one is the mathematical model that is used to exactly calculate the eye's position and the gaze point. So the next one is the technologies used. The first one technology is emotion mouse, the manual and gaze input cascader, the artificial intelligence speech recognition, the simple user interest tracker that is known as Twitter. The fifth one is the eye movement sensor. So, what is emotion mouse? So in this mouse, there are many sensors have been attached like heartbeat sensor, the pressure sensor, the temperature sensor. If you touch the mouse or you can shake that mouse, those parameters will be recorded and those parameters will be measured, and by analyzing those parameters it can understand the emotion of human beings, like whether she is in calm mood, she is cool or not. Such kind of information can be collected by this emotion mouse. So it is a emotion mouse that is created by the IBM. So the emotion mouse from IBM will be able to detect through its special sensors six emotional states. The first one is the anger, the second one is fear, the third one is sadness, disgust, happiness, and surprise. So the mouse works through a series of sensors. Where the forefinger and the middle finger touch the bottoms, there are sweet sensitive pads. Your heartbeat is measured by the pulse of your thumb, which is determined by the side of your mouse. Inside the instrument, there is a thermometer, which measures the hand temperature, and a sensor next to the mouse ball analyzes movement. So, after sensing the psychological attributes of the users, the information is related to emotion by using a correlation model. Now, your computer may be able to use the information to adjust its setting or interface to reduce your frustration. If you look at this carefully, you will see here is a psychological signal obtained by the emotion mouse. In this, pressure is determining, temperature is determining, GSR is determining, and the heartbeat of a person is determining. The next one is, or we can say that the second technology that is used in blue eyes, that is magic. So, webcam is used to quickly determine the glints and the pupil of the user under variable and realistic light condition. The computer could move the cursor by the direction of user eye. In this, just by tracking its eye movement, it can analyze by using your facial expression whether the emotion of the humans will be detected. मीन्स इसमें सिंपली होगा क्या कि इसमें हमें कर्सर को घुमाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, इसमें सिर्फ हमें टारगेट पे क्लिक करना पड़ता है जिससे हमारा पूरा काम हो जाता है. सो इसमें बेसिकली ये है कि हमें मैनुअल डिवाइस कम यूज़ करने पड़ेंगे, सिर्फ हम कोई टारगेट लेंगे, उस पर क्लिक करेंगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें अपनी आउटपुट मिल जाती है. सो द मैजिक पॉइंट इज़ द टेक्निक ऑफ ट्रैकिंग योर आई मूवमेंट and perform accordingly the desired operation. Here you can see that it is the image of pupil of user eye is tracked using an infrared light source. Means जो means the eye is tracked by using an infrared light source. You can see here it is a camera, infrared light source, the eyeball. So the movement of eye is tracked by using an infrared light source. The third one is suitor, that is simple user interest tracker. This is the approach used in the application for blue eyes technology. So in this technology, what system is going to do? In this system, we will find out the browsing history of the user and accordingly it will respond to the user. That means what application you are using accordingly to your mood and what are the things you are searching out on the internet. Accordingly, the system will react with the humans and it also notice where the user eye focus on the screen. Example, if reading headline, pop up the story in the browser window. The fourth one is the artificial intelligence speech recognition, in which system is going to record your speech recognition, your speech. Accordingly, it gives you the output. Means the input words are scanned and matched against the internally stored words. The user speaks to the computer with the help of microphone. Pattern matching is designed to look for the best fit because of variation in loudness, pitch, frequency, difference, time gap, etc. द लास्ट वन इज आई मूवमेंट सेंसर डिज़ाइन। इसका काम बेसिकली यही है कि हम अपनी आंखों को कैसे मूव कर रहे हैं, आई पोजिशनिंग क्या है, वो सब डाटा को कलेक्ट करेगा, जो कि एक डिवाइस है, और उसे सेंड करता है डाटा एक्विजिशन यूनिट को और सेंट्रल सिस्टम यूनिट को, और वहाँ पे हमारे आई मूवमेंट को कलेक्ट किया जाता है और उसे रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है। सो द हाउ ब्लू आइज टेक्नोलॉजी इज डिजाइंड. So, a personal area network for linking all the operators and the supervising system. It is designed for personal area network. मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि आप यहाँ पे हैं, मैं मशीन कहीं और है, वो आपके साथ इंटरेक्ट करेगी कि आपको ये बता दे कि आप सैड हो या हैप्पी हो, नहीं। जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि हमारा एक लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क है, वैसे ही हमारा एक पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क होता है। जैसे कि हमारा होम हो गया, ऑफिस हो गया, जहाँ पर नॉर्मली हम अपना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, सम टाइम अवेलेबल रहते हैं, उसी एरिया के लिए इस टेक्नोलॉजी को डिज़ाइन किया गया है। So here is the system overview of the Blue Eyes technology. The hardware component that is used in the Blue Eyes technology is data acquisition unit and the central system unit. So what is the task of data acquisition unit? So it helps to get the input data from the user. Those input may be through the keyboard or maybe through the mouse or webcam or with the help of microphone. Even this data acquisition unit can get the data related to the user perception, user absorption, just by using your facial expression. So this information is called a raw data, and it will be transferred to the central system unit with the help of Bluetooth. Then what central system unit do? So it will just analyze raw data and it will finally decide what exactly users is expecting, where user is focusing, and with respect to that it find the response and it prepare that and it will send back to the users. So the next one is the features of data acquisition system. So it is lightweight, it run on batteries, low power consumption, easy to use, ID card for operator authorization. Means data acquisition unit जो है वो हर किसी की भी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करके नहीं देगा। जो भी यूज़र अपनी आईडी या अथोराइजेशन या कोई भी प्रूफ उसमें यूज़ करता है, ये सिर्फ उसी का डाटा हमें कलेक्ट करके देगा। So this is a microcontroller, this is a Bluetooth module which help us to recognize your voice and accordingly it gives you the output. So this is a Jazz multi sensor. It is the eye movement sensor that provide a necessary psychological data in data acquisition unit. It also supply a raw data digital data regarding eye movement, eye positioning, the level of blood oxygenation, exhalation along horizontally and vertical axis, and ambient light intensity. In Jazz multisensor, eye movement can be measured using direct infrared transducer. After that, there is a central system unit. So central system unit in real life example are in our family. We are having an one head. In this, we are having a central system unit which help us to record, which help us to authenticate variable things of the system, and it also help us to sense the things which the user is going through. So the components that is used in central system unit is connection manager. The main task of the connection manager is to perform a low level Bluetooth communication. The next one is data analysis module that perform the analysis of the raw sensor data in order to obtain information about operator psychological condition. The third one is data logger module that provide a support for storing the monitoring data. The fourth one is visualization module that provide a user interface for the supervisor. Here, some of the few features of the central system unit are that maintain a Bluetooth connection, data processing, record conclusion for further exploration, provide visualization interface. After that, there is a disadvantages and the advantages of the Blue Eyes technology. So the advantages of the Blue Eyes technology is that it prevention from dangerous incidents, The reconstruction of the course of operator work, minimization of ecological consequences, financial losses, a threat to the human life. The disadvantages of the blue eyes technology is not it is not 100% accurate, it is expensive or require many authorization. After that, the applications that where we use a blue eyes technology, that is for generic control room power station like flight control system, operating theaters. The common application like a simple system version for drivers can be used to prevent like car accidents, or in video games we use blue eyes technology. So after that, the blue eyes enabled device, the first one is pod. So it is a car manufactured by Toyota. It could keep the driver alert and active all the time. It could tell the driver to go slow if he is driving too fast. It also could hear the driver some sort of interesting music when he is getting bored. The next one is Pong, a robot. The IBM released a robot called a Pong, which is equipped with blue eyes technology. It is capable of preserving the person standing in front of it. It could smile when person call his name, and it show loneliness when it lost the signal of a person or lost the sight of the person. After that, there is a conclusion. So in the future, ordinary household devices like television, refrigerators and ovens may be able to do their job, and we look at them and speak to them only with the help of blue eyes technology. Provide more delicate and user friendly facilities in the computing device. The computer can run using implicit commands instead of the explicit commands. This is all I want to say about it. Thank you for listening.